Do you want to make millions of FIFA coins every single month? Do you want the buying and selling prices for every single card on this game that is profitable to help you build the best ultimate team? If you do, head over to Foot Trading. For as low as £10.99 a month, you'll never need to spend a single penny on FIFA points whatsoever. We guarantee you'll make millions of coins. But also, you'll be able to enter the brand new Foot Trading Foot League. Here it is, it's amazing. Enables you to play against other people on the site in a promotion relegation system. Everybody plays for prizes no matter what league you're in. It's going to be absolutely incredible. It's going to completely change the game. Never need to rely upon EA's content again. Check out the website. But for now, let's get into the video. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video with me, Fuzzball40. As always, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe down below and make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss an upload. Don't forget, I stream live on YouTube at 10 AM in the mornings, Twitch at 5:30 PM. And don't forget to comment on the video and drop a like. The most recent comment that I really liked will be down below right now. If you want to feature it in a video, make sure you get commenting and let me know what you're currently doing on FIFA 22. But I get a lot of talk in the comment section when I show you guys the how to grind videos, how to do this, how to do that, with people saying, I've got no coins, I've got no coins, I can't do this, I've got no coins. And obviously throughout my whole channel, you guys know that I show you guys how to trade and how to make coins and how to grind the game. By the way, if you hear any noise in the background, I'm having some work done, but it is what it is. But basically, I was on stream today and I had quite a few people come in and say, I've only got X amount, like, I can't do these methods you're saying. And I said, well, you can. You've just got to trade. And what I'll do now is I'm going to break down a couple of things for you. Everything you see in this video, we do on the website, basically. So we've got someone now that updates our silver prices every single day. We've got someone that does the weekly trading guide for us. Again, every other day it's been looked at to make sure it's correct. And we've got an area called live filters, which are live sniping filters. But for those of you that can't afford it, don't want to pay for it, I don't blame you. You don't need to know anything about the market on this game in order to make coins. All you've got to do is go to, essentially, the league and whatever league it is, and find out what the minimum prices the cards are selling for. So we know the league guns in and around, give or take. So we don't really want to buy that amongst there's two of them. But give or take, the league guns in and around sort of 650, 700 coins. You just buy all these cards. That is all you do. Now, I've already started doing it. But Charbonnet, for example, is 1,000 coins. We pay 450 for him. We'll list him up. We'll double our coins on him. Niane, there's a 650 there. So we'll list him up for about 750. He should sell over 3 hours. All you've got to do is check the prices on the game when it comes down to silvers and bronzes. And you can make yourself like 50k an hour without really any effort at all. Probably even more than that, to be fair. I bought these guys just before I started this video. I went through all the leagues and was like, right, let me see what we've got. And it has not taken me long to buy these cards. And as you can see, there's pretty hefty profit across all of it. Now, if you spend 50k and get back 100k, you've doubled your money. If you do it for a couple of hours a day, you can put yourself in a really nice position with a lot of coins. Now, for those of you that are brand new to this, you might go, right, it's risky or whatever. You can look at the minor leagues. I'm going to look at that PSG guy, actually. I'll have a quick look at him. Well, let's compare price on him. PSG stuff does extend itself a bit more. It does indeed. Let's just buy him. So you can see there's one on the market for him of 850. If I have a little look now, there's one on the market for him of 850. So that's the one that's ending most recently. But other than that, there's not much. So we're going to go and put 900 coins on him. And he should sell for that pretty easily. There shouldn't be much profit at all. And much profit shouldn't be much problem at all. But those of you that are really new to all of this stuff, all you've really got to do is head to the minor leagues. Because you can pick up a lot of these cards for absolutely nothing. Now, they're going to buy this Rigo here. Let's have a little look at Corin. Again, we'll buy him. The profit margins on the minor leagues are higher than the major leagues. You get even more. Now, that Rigo I've just bought, I'm almost certain we sold one for 700 coins earlier on. Yeah, Rigo there, 700 coins. So I know that he sells for that amount. So if I'm sitting there on the Pro League, I know to buy him for anything below that because he's selling. Now, obviously, it's important to realise that prices fluctuate. So you may get more, you may get less, depending on the time of day or whatever. But we got 800 coins in that one because we know we just sold him. We know we just sold him for that amount. But again, my risk there is nothing really. It's 10 coins. Because the minimum these cards sell for at discard price is something in the region of about 200 coins, depending on if you buy rares or not and those sort of things. So we go bronze rare. So as a basic rule, if you are trading with major leagues, you can use bronze or silver, either one. If you're trading with minor leagues, then you can use only bronze rare and any silver. If you want to know what major and minor league means, go to the League SBC section on the game. The major leagues are Premier League, La Liga Santander, Serie A, Liga and Bundesliga. Everything else is a minor league. They're sort of smaller league SBCs, and they don't sell for as much normally, but the profit margin on them tends to be a lot more significant. You tend to make a lot more on them. Depending on the league, Eredivisie right now, not much in that. CSL, again, not terrible. We can have a little look. So this guy, for example, I'd be happy to buy him. There's not many of him on the market right now. Yuhai, for example, we're interested in him. Get a bit from him, but it's not masses. Danielson, nope, no interest in him. And then Liu Yang, I am interested in him because we'll get about 750 for him. And if you're not going to be on the game for too long, you just list for a few hours at a time. That's all you're doing. So Henrique, for example, the cheapest on the market is 1,000. We'll list him up at 900 coins. It should be easy enough. But just list them up for an hour at a time. 3 hours at a time. Overnight, if you really want to list them overnight. If you want a bit of extra profit, once you've bought them for the day and you're like, right, they're not selling. Go about 1,000 coins and that's usually what he sells for. You go, they're not selling. You might go to bed. Just list them up overnight. Just get them all listed up. Don't wait for them to sell. Don't wait for them to do anything. Just get them sold in that way. And you can even do it while you're sleeping then. So while you're sleeping, you're making profit. You haven't got to worry about it. And again, you'll flip these on really, really easily. It does not take much thought process. It doesn't take much hard work. It literally is just buying cards because they're cheaper than the other ones that are there, basically. So this guy here, so the cheaper ones on him, get him for 750 and it isn't a problem. So we can get him listed up pretty cheaply. So 750 there is perfectly fine. And so that's basically what we do with the silvers and bronzes. Anyone can do it and you will make 50k, 60k an hour easily just by doing that. The other thing you can do is, we did it back at the beginning of the game, but it's still effective now. And that is using basically any sort of card from the major leagues that has a hunter or shadow on them, okay? So what you want to do, head to the Premier League, and we're going to set shadow. Now you'll know that shadows are quite expensive cards. So you can have a little look at the cards and see that, for example, Ben Godfrey, these two here, he has 1,000 coins with shadow on him. He costs a lot less than what he costs with shadow on him. Now, Ben Godfrey is still a half-usable card for people that are doing random challenges and whatnot. I'll double my coins on that. If I can list them overnight, I will. All you've got to think about is, how much does a shadow cost? Is the card moderately usable? But even if it's not, it will sell because people use them for objectives. But what's the gap? And so that for that Ben Godfrey, for example, well, they're all 1,000 coins. Even Mings, for example, they're all 1,000 coins. So sending for 2,000 is going to be very, very likely. And moreover, when you're buying these cards at 1,000 coins or whatever it is you're buying them at, what you have to bear in mind, and it's relatively easy, is that at bare minimum, these cards at some point will spike in value just because they're needed for an SBC. They'll spike. Doesn't mean they're going to go crazy, but it means that you're probably going to guarantee yourself some form of profit. And no matter what happens, it's just an easy way to do things without having to worry too much about what you're buying. Would I buy Renato Sanchez there at 2,000? Probably not, but some people might argue he's still usable. So we'll have a little look and go Renato Sanchez. See how many there are of him. And you can see there's another one there. I wouldn't be that interested in him personally. And that's all you've got to do. Just check the price. Check what they're selling for. So you've got a Pablo. I don't know why someone's put a Hunter Mari. You might get some profit on him, but I wouldn't personally buy it when he's that unusable. Again, we'll go Bundesliga. Nothing there. Let's try Hunter. See if we get any Hunters. Nothing there at the moment. La Liga Santander. Hunters. You've got Chukwueze. I think people are using him at the moment for objectives. I've seen quite a few people talk about using him. So again, we'll just stick him on there. And again, if I'm not going to be on the game, I'm thinking, right, I'm going to be doing other things or whatever. Stick him on there for a day. Leave him there for like that. So I know full well that eventually someone will pick him up in that 24 hours. If they don't, I'll just wait and sell him a bit longer. So what you can do is you can instant flip for profit your silvers and bronzes, and then buy these as some sort of short-term investment that you wait a day or two for them to sell. It's pretty damn easy. Anyone can do these things. Absolutely anyone on this game can do these things. And what they will do is they'll give you packs for upgrades. Let's say you make 50k a day, and let's look ahead to Shapeshifters, a new promo. Make 50k a day between now and then, you get to the point of upgrade packs, that's 300,000 coins. That's enough for 30 upgrades, bare minimum. It's a lot of sort of grind, but it's a lot of reward as well. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss an upload. But for now, I'm out. Peace out. I'll speak to you soon.